on a single lender. HMS Capital requires no advance fees to apply. There's no appraisal fee and no credit fee. With our razor-sharp interest rates, we are completely confident that no matter how many lenders you apply with, we will win your business. So call HMS Capital today and let us show you how doing two things at once really can save you money. Call HMS Capital at 833-255-5698. 833-255-5698. That's 833-255-5698. Or go to hmscapital.com.
That's capital funding NMLS number 303222 in California. DBO Finance Lenders Law License 60DBO 37652. Doing business as HMS Capital.
833-255-5698.
KCBS News Time 142 as our news watch continues. Well, Uber is signing a lease on more office space in San Francisco. KCBS's Jenna Lane reports on the implications for other companies hoping to grow in the Bay Area.
The past few years in commercial real estate in San Francisco have been marked by tech giants snapping up what's left of the office space. Research Director Robert Salmon studies Northern California for Cushman & Wakefield. He says Salesforce, Facebook, and now Uber are taking up more than 1 million square feet each. Salmons estimates San Francisco has just a half dozen large spaces left, with nothing new coming onto the market for 3 years.
This decade has been San Francisco's. The potential for the next decade really is Oakland and downtown San Jose. Downtown San Jose has a lot of potential, and you know, Google has seen it now with the potential to build 6 to 8 million square feet on their end. There are private developers going into that market, but it's all really being gathered around Diridon Station.
He expects transit hubs like the Diridon Station area will continue to be in high demand. Jenna Lane, KCBS.
Well, repairs and reinforcement work are getting underway today on fractured steel beams at the Salesforce Transit Center in San Francisco. One block of First Street remains closed between Howard and Mission Streets until 8 p.m. tomorrow. The replacement occurs. Crews are replacing hydraulic jacks on First Street underneath bus deck with a shoring system that will give workers the chance to reinforce the girders on the bus deck above. Repairs of the steel beams are expected to be complete by June, and then the shoring system on First Street and another on Fremont Street will be taken away. There is no date set for reopening. Salesforce Transit Center closed in September after the fractured beams were found on the ceiling of the third-level bus deck. 144 on KCBS Sports Line. Joe Salvatore up next. Sneezing, coughing, runny nose, watery eyes. Are these the house guests that just won't leave? It could be your air duct. Over time, dirt, dust, and other debris can turn them into a breeding ground for allergens. Trust Coit to eliminate what's ailing your air duct. Coit technicians are specially trained and certified with the best guarantee in the business. Clean as new. That's the Coit commitment to you. Schedule your Coit cleaning today and get 40% off. Call 1-800-FOR-COIT.
Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Panagotakis, also known as the hair doc. I've been treating men and women both medically and with hair transplants since 1974 at my 2001 Union Street office. I am announcing the addition of a new Artis IX transplant robot to my practice. It's the first and only one of its kind in the area, and I'm offering a New Year discount to those who qualify for the procedure. For more information, go to hairdoc.com. That is hairdoc.com. Or call the office at 922-3344 for an appointment.
We don't take a break from what we do. We are on the news watch around the clock. When you need to know, turn to us. All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Margie Schaefer in San Francisco. Grant money is available for businesses who reuse water.